Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up SLAs for chats in BoldDesk. You will also learn how to set up business hours and holiday lists for chats and associate them with SLA policies. Before defining an SLA policy, you need to define the business hours and holiday lists for your organization. So first, I will show you how to define your business hours. Start by logging into your BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Admin module. Go to the Chat module, expand the Work Schedules category from the Automation section, and click on the Business Hour option. The Business Hours listing page will open. To create a new business hour range, click Add Business Hours. Enter the name and description of this range. Then choose the time zone and select the operation hours. Select calendar hours if your support team is working 24/7. Or choose business hours and select your working days and the hours for each day. Unselected days will be considered as non-working days. Click Add to save the business hours. A holiday list adds non-working days for your organization that will be excluded when calculating the chat response and resolution deadlines. The holiday list will be associated with your business hours and used with SLA and chat automations. To create a holiday list, from the Admin module, select the Holiday Lists from the Work Schedule menu and click the Add Holiday List button. Enter a name for the holiday list, then add each holiday with a name, start date, and end date. After all holidays are added, click Create. Now, I can create SLA for chat conversations in BoldDesk. SLA stands for Service Level Agreement, and in the context of support, it is an agreement between the support team and customers regarding the response and resolution times for delivering services in chat conversations. Navigate to the Chat module, select SLA in the Automation section, and click on Add SLA. Then, enter a name, an optional description, and select the operational hours. Then, define the conditions under which the SLA must be applied. Click Next to set the SLA target, which shows the response and resolution times based on ticket priority. Then, click Add to create the SLA. Now, for all chat conversations, the newly created SLA policy will be applied to. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.